From the best-selling Atto 3 and the Sea Lion 6 DMI, nung June, naglabas ng Sea Lion 5 DMI. Akala nyo tapos na BYD? Hindi pa, kasi baka ito na yung family car na hinahanap mo. Enter the BYD Tang DMI with its electrified powertrain. So, pwede ito makipagsabayan sa mga mid-size SUVs. Hindi ko na patatagalin to. This is the quick look of the BYD Tang DMI. I'm your host, Stanley Chill, Senpai ng Tubuhan. Tara, gawin na natin to. Kotse ba?
Feel kotse na.
From the full electric, kita-kita pagkakaiba dito sa DMI kasi meron na siyang front grille. Alam nyo, pag yung kinuha yung kulay moonstone gray, naka-all black yan, so very stealthy tingnan. Full LED yung headlights, taillights, and DRL. Meron tayong rain sensing wipers. 20-inch wheels. Pagka kinuha ninyo yung moonstone gray, all black din yan. So, ang ganda ng dating nun eh. Power folding and adjustable side mirrors. At ang pinaka-paborito ko sa lahat, powered tailgate. Powered tailgate. Oh. The BYD Tang DMI has 3 paint color options: pearl white, silver sand black, at ang moonstone gray. Sa loob, meron tayong grayish-brown na leather seats with cup holders and armrest. Dual aircon vents, USB-A and Type-C charger, and syempre, sunroof. Sa harap, meron tayong 12.3-inch LCD instrument cluster, dual-zone auto-climate, 15.6 touchscreen with 360-degree camera with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Hindi nagro-rotate, hindi kagaya ng mga ibang BYD models. Tapos meron tayong Dyna Audio 12-speaker system, ambient lighting, 50-watt wireless charger, and syempre yung karaoke function para sa mga kaibigan nating mahilig kumanta kahit na pangit ang boses. It also has an 8-way power seat for the driver side and 4-way naman para sa front passenger. Kung usapang safety naman tayo, the BYD Tang DMI has an advanced driver assistance system called the D-Pilot. It contains 360 camera with see-through mode, 8 sensors, adaptive cruise control, front and rear collision warning, rear cross traffic alert and brake, intelligent cruise control, lane departure assistance, blind spot monitoring, door opening warning, intelligent high beam control, 6 airbags, front, side, and curtain, ISOFIX mounts, traction control system, tire pressure monitoring system, hill hold and descent control, anti-lock braking system, electronic stability control, vehicle dynamic control, anti-rollover control. Busog na busog ka talaga sa mga safety features nito. We have smart keyless entry, push button start, NFC card na pwede mong itap sa side mirrors mo, na pwede mong i-register sa BYD app para mabuksan mo itong sasakyan using your phone. So marami tayong options to open the car. Hindi mo na kailangan maging member ng Bukas Kotse Gang. Just like the other BYD models, this also has the Super DMI tech. At itong Tang DMI ay ang magiging kauna-unahang DMI dito sa Pilipinas na may turbocharged high-efficiency generator. Sa baterya naman, meron tong 21.5 kWh blade battery na BYD mismo ang gumawa. Kung gagamitin mo siya in full EV mode, it can range up to 110 kilometers. May regenerative braking din to para mas efficient. This also comes with a portable charging cable with a wall-mounted charger and the V2L o ang vehicle-to-load technology na pwede mo tong gawing mobile power source para mag-power ng appliances. Perfect for your family vacations at sa mga outdoor activities ninyo. So kung naghahanap kayo ng mid-size SUV na maganda, matipid, tapos gusto nyo ng sulit sa tech at siksik sa safety features, tapos kayo executive or may pamilya, mahilig mag-glamping-glamping, nakakaluwag-luwag sa buhay, o di ba? Or nakaka-LL, go check out the BYD Tang DMI. Ang presyo nito around 2.2 million pesos. Pero makikita nyo naman sa launch kung magkano talaga. Either nasa description namin or nandito, or nandito. Okay? So, I'm your host Stanley Chi, ang inyong senpai ng turubuhan. Like and subscribe to Phil Coches YouTube channel. Kita-kits tayo sa next video. Bye-bye!
Thanks for watching. For the latest news, reviews, and anything you want to know about cars and car ownership, visit philcoche.com. Follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Spotify para hindi ka huli sa usapan. Tandaan, kotse ba? Phil Coche na!